Kelvin Ariol in the CX Racing FCRX7. Ooh, Kelvin. It's exploding that front bumper. As it says on his windshield, ding. Uh-oh.
We're back. Saturday. What am I working on today? Woke up this morning, my brother dropped off his car. I have to change the transmission because it has no fifth gear. Looking at how much space there is, that top transmission bolt is going to be a problem. Right? Not a lot of space. Also, if we go under the car, right, there is a transmission cross member, right? But the tail end of the transmission goes over part of the frame here. So I'm hoping I can unbolt everything, slip the transmission towards the back, drop the bell housing, and slide it out. Okay, this is where I try not to make a mess and I end up making a mess. We can just dig out this drain plug later. Oh yeah. Thick and metallic looking. Perfect. See that big bend? Had to do that to bring the shifter forward. If not, the shifter is literally like right here instead of right here. All right. Number 2, shifter out. Okay, upon further inspection, nice center support bearing here. Nice and ripped. Okay, there it is. There's a mess. I was able to catch it. This is the transmission going in. Okay, so I've gotten most of the bell housing bolts out except for the top one. Let's see. Okay, so this top bell housing bolt is literally against the firewall, so I got this swivel here. Might have to drop the engine. There's like no space. It probably needs an inch of clearance. This is gonna suck. Okay, figure if I tilt the engine back a little, I'll have enough clearance. So I'm just gonna take off this cross member. I got the passenger side motor mount off. Okay, so really long extensions. Let's see if I can break it loose. Perfect. Fuck this bolt. I've been trying not to work too hard on this car, but I'm working way too hard. Here's where I'm at. Okay. So I was trying to pull the transmission off, right? You can see the flywheel. But we need about like 2 more inches to slide this thing back. And why can't we slide it back? because these torsion bars, the adjusters for the torsion bars, won't allow me to slide the transmission back. I mean, you can see the clutch, it's definitely out, but I think we're still hung up on this brace here. I think I might have to take off that top shifter plate, and that might just give us just enough clearance. Okay, so got the transmission down, got it separated from the engine, but it's getting hung up on the frame. The engine's all the way forward already, and I've lifted it up, so I might have to take out the clutch to take out the transmission, and I might have enough clearance. Okay, it's out. Had to take out the clutch just to make it happen. This is like interference fit right here. Took a little break because this car sucks. So now I'm gonna get the new transmission in. I switched over the fork and the breather tube. Now I just need to jam it on in there. Okay, it would help out if there was two people here, because I gotta lift the tail end and do some crazy angles to make this fit. Okay, might have to lift the rear of the engine. Alright, so I lifted up the engine, just gotta finagle this thing in here. This car sucks. Gotta rotate the flywheel because our dowel pins are right in the way. Fuck. Alright. Okay, we in this. Alright. Now what's the dumb part is I gotta put on the clutch and align it. Still here working on this shitty car. This transmission has kicked my ass. Pretty much gonna stay here until I can get to it. Okay, this car has been sitting for a while now, because in order for me to open my garage, I actually have to roll it out. Also, since I took off the torsion bars, I had to stick pieces of wood in between the control arm and frame just so it wouldn't be slammed to the ground. So now I'm gonna be working in these subpar conditions. I'm gonna start working on it, but I can't even open the garage, and my jack is on this side. And all my tools are here, so that would mean I would need to walk all the way around to bring the jack and bring all the tools, and just sounds like way too much work. So my brother's gonna come by and help me push the car, I guess, and we're just gonna work on it for a little, then push the car back up the driveway. All right, got my brother here. What's up, bro?
What up?
Tell me about your car.
It's a 78 Chinook.
Alright, it's broken. He helped me roll it back. So all we're gonna do is work on it for an hour, and then we're gonna have to push it back up the driveway so I can close my garage. All right, we got clutch pressure. I think that's it for tonight. Try to continue with this tomorrow. We gotta push it back up the driveway. GoPro. Hold on. All right, go. Go, go. Keep going, keep going, keep going. All right, right there, right there. You're good, you're good. Let go, let go, let go. Let go. No, no, you're good. Yeah. Okay, back at it again. It's Friday morning. Had the day off. Still have to finish this thing. It's gonna be a little difficult because I have no one to step on the brakes while I remove the chalk. Gonna try to kick the rock out of the way and get on the brakes. Okay, so I gotta get the other engine mount in and line it up, bolt it to the cross member. Gotta get the rest of the bell housing bolts connected to the transmission and engine. Gotta connect the starter. Got the clutch sleeve on already. Gotta deal with the drive shaft somewhere back there. Bolt up the drive shaft, bolt up the transmission mount, bolt up the speed sensor, bolt up the torsion bars, put the exhaust back on. That should be it. Just need to put gear oil in the car and yeah, let's put gear oil and let's see if it starts and drives and does car things. Okay, so finally finished this car. Test drove it around the block, it's fine. Gonna take it to the store to pick up some stuff. It's making all sorts of noise. Exhaust leak, throwout bearing. Okay, only reason I changed the transmission was the previous transmission didn't have 5th gear. We now have 5th gear, but still a bunch of stuff that I want to fix. Exhaust leak, rattle, carrier bearing. Should have changed the throttle bearing, but whatever. In the future, I'll give you guys a tour and a walk around of this car. But for now, that's it. Please like, comment, and subscribe.